Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will give you a brief introduction to sentences, and this video will also be the starting of the playlist of sentences in English language. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Let's begin by defining a sentence. A sentence is a group of words conveying a complete thought or idea. So, therefore, a sentence is such a group of words that makes a complete sense. It is capable of expressing a complete thought or idea by itself and essentially containing a subject and a predicate. So, for a sentence to be a sentence, there should be a subject, that is the doer of the action, and there should be a predicate, that is the receiver of the action plus the object, right? So, therefore, a sentence is such a group of words which is capable of expressing an idea by itself, right? And there should be a subject and there should be a predicate. Right now, for a sentence to be a sentence, there should be a subject, there should be an action, that is a verb, and there should be a mark of punctuation, that is a full stop, exclamation or interrogative, whatsoever the kind of sentences might be. So therefore, sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense or is able to express a complete thought or idea by itself, and it contains a subject and a predicate. A sentence is complete only when something is said about something else. Have a look at these examples here. These oranges are sweet and juicy. So it has a subject, it has action, it has a predicate, right? Next example is bright moonlight dispelled all my sorrow. Bright moonlight is a subject, dispelled is action, and there is a mark of punctuation as well as a predicate, right? Next is dogs bark. So we cannot have a sentence without a subject, and the subject could be explicit or it could be implied, and it should have a verb. Okay, as in the example dogs bark, it has a subject, it has a verb. The next sentence is sit down. So here the subject is implied, that is you sit down. Okay, you don't have to speak, it's already meant you sit down. Okay, the next example is trains carry passengers from one place to another. There are different kinds or forms of sentences in English language divided according to the usage, and therefore they have different structures, and the punctuation marks also varies, right? The first one is, if it is a statement, it will have a punctuation mark as a full stop, right? A thankful heart is a peaceful heart, a statement. If there is an interrogative sentence, it will end up with a question mark. How are you? It will ask a question. Next is exclamation, sentences that show sudden surprise, shock. Okay, these sentences are exclamatory ones and they end up with exclamation mark. How wonderful to see you. The fourth kind is, a sentence can also express request. For example, please help me. Okay, it should have words like please to show that it's a request. Next is advice. Okay, so for advice we can use a modal verb should. You should not behave badly with anyone. The next one is wish. When you wish someone have a safe and enjoyable journey, congratulations. Okay, it also ends up with an exclamatory mark. So therefore, a sentence is such a group of words which is meaningful and has subject, predicate and punctuation. Before constructing or analyzing a sentence structure, there are some points that you should take care of. There are three basic important notes. The first one is, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. So a sentence should always begin with a capital letter. The next time you write the sentence, it should start with a capital letter. Point number 2 is, if a sentence has to make a complete sense, the words must be arranged in a proper order. So a sentence is a meaningful arrangement of words, right? So therefore the arrangement of words should be proper, and so proper that it should make a complete sense by itself and confirming the rule of grammar. It cannot be a random arrangement of words like beautiful is, country, mine. No, that would be wrong because it is any random arrangement of words, right? But the correct one would be, my country is beautiful. The sentence is capable to impart a complete meaning by itself. The next point is, a sentence ends with full stop, a mark of interrogation, or a mark of exclamation. So therefore a sentence has punctuations like full stop, interrogation, or exclamatory mark. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.